Mixed performance with a notable divergence among the major indices. In the United States, the Dow Jones Industrial Average took a significant hit, dropping 257 points, that is 1.33 in the market, shifting declines, and also in contrast with the S&P 500 that showed resilience with a modest gain of 7 points, that is 0.13%, while the Nasdaq edged down slightly by 20.71 points, that is 0.17%, reflecting the cautious investor sentiment. The VIX, often referred to the fear gauge, and the fear index spiked by over 9%, suggesting the rising market volatility and the investor uncertainty. Also, the smaller cap stocks, however, outperformed, with the Russell 2000 advancing 0.92% and indicating the growing investor confidence in the domestic and the smaller firms. In the Canada, both the S&P TSX Composite and the S&P TSX 60 posted solid gains, rising the 0.36% and 0.40% respectively. The Latin American markets have a strong day, with the Brazil's Bovespa surging 1%, while the Chile's S&P IPSA rose 1.36% and Mexico's S&P BMV IPC climbed 0.715%. Also, these gains suggest optimism in the emerging market, possibly fueled by the commodities or local economic data. Overall, today's performance has revealed a cautious yet selective bullish sentiment among the investors. The commodity market has remained flat across the board, also showing no price movement in the key assets. If we see the WT crude oil, that has held steady at $64.05, but the Brent crude oil, that has also remained unchanged at $67.9, suggesting a pause in the momentum, possibly due to some stable supply-demand expectations or a lull ahead of the fresh economic data. Similarly, the natural gas prices remained at $13 and also indicating the fragility of the market and the weather-driven geopolitical catalyst that is impacting the energy sector. Also, in the precious metal, gold stood firm at $3,000, also maintaining its key position near the upper end of the 52-week range, reflecting ongoing investor interest in the safe haven asset. Also, the silver that showed no improvement and no movement, staying at the very place, that is $32, while the soya beans held $10.48 with no change in the agricultural commodity prices either. Also, the lack of activity across these sectors point to a calm trading session, possibly as the market awaits clearer signals from the central bank or the macroeconomic indicator before making